I forgot to enable live split and I have to mute my stream. Okay. Question mark. What is this? No. Get that timer started. Whoops. Hello, people. It is time for another stream, and my Twitch is unmuted again. Twitch is unmuted again. Twitch is unmuted again. Okay, I just gotta make sure that's sounding okay before I get into this. Hopefully my music is decent. Alright, so yesterday what we did is we finished our third little attack animation for my guy. So that's cool. What we need to do now is try to get it into Ghetto, which I will open now. We're gonna have to re-import our Blender foil. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember how to do this. So, yeah, we're gonna just figure this out. I think it's that. And then, you re-import. Now, when we go down to animation player, we should have additional actions, which we don't. Why do we not have additional animations? Hello? Oh my goodness. We saved our actions to the NLA editor, so I think that's fine. But they are not in Godot. Nope. That did not work. I need a new scene. Damn. That low-key sucks. But it's fine. I really don't like that Godot doesn't auto-import. I mean, I think it can, but I never got it to work. Question mark. Where's Make Unique? The fork. Is it meta rig? No. Why do we not have the make unique option here? No. There we are. Clear inheritance. I don't think that actually really does anything, but just, yeah. Did you update? You did not. RIP, I have to delete the whole John again. Yay. Get this shit out of here, and then get rid of this guy, and then re-import this. Why is it snapping? Interesting. You want editable children, please? And then make local. Then you can, oh no, we need the animation tree under you. Righto, and then we need idle. Cool, and then just loop all the, wait, what? Embedded in another scene. Because you're here. Oh man, where is it? This one? Oh, it's no. I think I have to do that in this scene, not in player node. Roger. Excuse me. Can't change loop mode on animation embedded in another scene. I beg your pardon. Is it because you're here? Let's just delete him in this scene. Bruh. Is player node in this? Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna close this scene and then save this scene, close that. Dude, what do you mean? I don't have anything open. Fuck you mean you can't change loop mode? Animation embedded in another scene. That literally doesn't make any sense. I don't have anything else open. You want me to fucking delete them again? I will. I was about to do a streamer no. I don't understand why it's not letting me just loop it here. We're gonna close Godot and reopen it. If it don't work, turn it off and turn it back on again. Okay, Godot is stupid. Nice. Don't know why. Don't know why that happens, but whatever. This is not a loop. This is a loop. Man, it's annoying having to do this. Okay. B slash will not be a loop. Oh god, let's see how this actually looked. Ah, you know what? Looks decent. Yeah, no weird overlapping or animation model glitches to see. Hold on, was that crap? What would happen? Does this look normal? I think it looks a little stiff. Wait, what the hell? Okay, I think that's just slightly poor animation, but it's fine. Okay, that's a glitch. It's really not good looking. It's a weird glitchy movement there. I can't tell if the software is just lagging or if it's the animation that's bugged. He does a weird, really strange looking flick. I don't know. Okay, well, there we have it. Now what? We have to figure out how to add that, I guess. So now we have the master. Good. Delete all this shit. Oh, yeah. Okay. His sprint still looks so weird. Why is he snapping? I don't have this enabled. What the hell? Excuse me. Oh yeah, I don't actually have any way to trigger his attacks yet. Also, why is he just why is he gliding? Bro's just skidding. Why is he hitting the heelys? Bro's got heelys on. The sprint works for a minute. It's definitely because of the skids, the dodge, isn't it? Because after I, yeah, it definitely has to do with the dodge, because he stops cycling his animation, and then I'll hit my dodge, and then he's animating again, and then it stops. So he hits one cycle of his animation, and then it stops. There's something wrong with the code. I also have to fix his fucking jump animation. This is the second time I've done it, and it still doesn't look right. Whatever. I digress. Okay, we gotta look into the dodge state real quick. It has to do with the blend space, I think, though. The blend tree, because it's not calling the first two blend twos after executing the dodge blend space. Which is strange. So what we know is that every time he dodges, all the animations are working fine, but they don't loop. So it plays once and it doesn't loop, but the looping should occur automatically, I think, just because of how I have my blend spaces set up and how I have it set to, I have it set to be looped automatically. Wait, do I? But no, it was looped in sprint and it still had the same issue. Yeah, wait, what? Why does jog not have the issue? Walk has the issue? jog does not have the issue. Once I toggle the loop, then sprint has the issue. Okay. Well, that don't make no sense. Yeah, no, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. What is this, the dodge? Yeah, so... Herm. I mean, this wasn't even really the main goal of this stream. I wanted to get the dodge, or the attacks in, but obviously bugs are also important to fix. Buh. I feel like it's an issue with the blend tree again, but I mean, it's getting between the animations fine, I think. So yeah, it's a little tricky. I don't think there's anything in the code that triggers the loop, or that dictates the loop of the animation. I don't know if I can necessarily debug it that way. Let's see. We don't have a exit? We don't have an exit function, do we? That could be a problem. It could absolutely be a problem. Oh, I don't have one in the other states, though, I don't think. So I guess that's not it. I mean, this doesn't do anything, so... Right? You're not called anywhere. Unless it's in the main. No, I guess it wouldn't be in the main. I always forget where I actually control the fucking animation tree. I mean, I guess it's somewhere in this. Yeah, it's in the physics process. Probably has to do with this function here. It's probably fucking up something. Oh, it could very well be this little blurb here, because this is not contained within an if statement, so it always does this. It's so in the physics process, whenever we go through this function, we're going to be getting to this line, evaluating the dodge direction as a vector 2, and then using that as a parameter in this function, and it's going to be setting the animation tree. The weird part is that it doesn't, like, it shouldn't be doing anything. Like, theoretically, this should mean that the animation tree is always calling the dodge state, I think. Like in the animation tree. I don't really understand what this is. I think this is just like a way for me to correctly set the animation. I don't know. But yeah, so it's using these, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. Or P is one of these, and direction 2D is that vector 2 that we get from the physics process, which makes sense. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is it. I'm just not too sure why it's even able to play the other animations if that's the case. Okay. made sure that the animation player has the loops set correctly, so that isn't the problem. For some reason, toggling the loop off and on fixed it for the jog state, but not the other states. In my main script, I have a variable is getting for the dodge state animation parameter. But it doesn't have any conditions, so it's always being evaluated, I think, and maybe that is causing conflict with the other animations. Yes. Here is the main script and dodge script. Think main dodge. I also have to fix this stupid double jump thing. You're not supposed to be able to jump in midair like that. I'd have to spruce up his dodge as well. It is kind of fun though, not gonna lie, being able to jump without any ground below you. I like my little parkour course here. For some reason their hitboxes are a little weird, not gonna lie, because when I like move back and forth on some of these, the movement gets all messed up. See how he's moving a little slower, especially when I like rotate a lot. It's because the hitboxes aren't set correctly. I don't really know how to get them perfectly lined up, not gonna lie. As you can see, he's standing pretty much perfectly on the platform, but yeah. Also, I do need to redo all my locomotion states as well, because I mean, he ain't supposed to be just gliding. I don't know. It's still very strange to me, to be honest. Alright, let's check out the script again. Oh, oh no, that didn't fix it. Well, no, that didn't fix it, did it? No. Thought it fixed it for a second, but not really. Strange. I need to add a pause menu soon. I'm getting annoyed with having to Alt F4 every time. So that did not fix the walk and sprint loops, unfortunately, so we have to try something else. Maybe the animation tree? We have both of our animation players set, so that shouldn't be the issue. I'm not sure why these weren't set to loop already. I thought I did have them set. Okay, yeah, that's strange. I guess I just forgot to change it. Oh well. Cool, so those work good now, even though it won't really matter, ultimately. Because I'm gonna have to redo all this fucking locomotion anyway. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's okay. I just... Dude, root motion is really... It has really been confusing the crap out of me. I'm gonna mute my stream for a minute. Sorry, I am back from being mute. I am trying to figure out how to set up my I need to figure out how to set up my attack states. B attack 1. I'm getting scared, guys. I'm getting scared. I feel like it's gonna be really complex. I feel like I'm gonna have to start doing fucking hitboxes and stuff. This is pretty much actually pretty close to where my last project was. About 3/4 of a year ago, I think. I got the 2D version of the game to have, well actually no, I'm still like a few states off. I had blocking and attacking done. Well, it's kind of cool to think about though, to be honest. I'm almost there. Although that had like a pretty decent looking map set up, and I had hitboxes and the other player to test it on. So we are not that far yet. But we're getting there, little by little. Just gotta keep going. Holy moly. Need to add an attack button. Let's just call it B attack 1, the same thing. Yes. Oops. R1. Okay. I don't know what to call it. I guess basic. Basic attack 1 state. I don't know, dude. Whatever. States / B underscore attack 1. And to add that. Look at all this redundant code. Beautiful. I'm definitely not vibe coding, guys. Don't worry about it. Alright, we're gonna see what we have here and edit it as needed. Second master slash animation player. That's definitely not right. Can I copy the path here? Oh, I guess that was the right path. Huh. Well, I guess it makes sense. It's directly below the master. See, this is from this scene. Okay, got it. This is not right. This was, what did we fucking just save this as? B attack 1. Yep. I don't even B slide. Okay, so these are gonna have to be put in somewhere. Where? Oh, and we have to fucking set up all this shit in the animation tree too. Okay. Okay, this. Okay. That needs to be renamed B/1. Can I fucking rename this shit? It's just supposed to be 2. It's not. Okay, good. Yes, B/1, B/2. Hello? B/1. Cool. Cool. Can you give me a sec? It does have a capital in it, right? Okay. Now I have to put this into my animation tree, I think. Aha, this is where we have root motion shenanigans. Somewhere we're gonna have to do that. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to figure out what the fucking root bone name is. It shouldn't be too hard. gotta be one of these Johns. Oh yeah, right fucking there. That wasn't hard. See, it's okay. Give me this guy again. I gotta figure out how to set this up. I don't think it would definitely would not be in locomotion, so we're gonna have to make a new node, I think. This is an animation node blend tree. No, it's just a blend tree. So yeah, blend tree. No. I'm gonna assume this is just gonna execute similar to the dodge state. So we're gonna name it, I don't fucking know, basic attacks. And then have a path from here to here. Do not have that be auto, please. Let's just have it be enabled, I guess. How does this determine it's just enabled? Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna have to start adding our animations and stuff, I guess. We need to figure out the animation tree setup. I have the locomotion blend tree set up for the walking, jogging, and jumping and stuff, and a separate blend. She recently added for just the dodge. Oh, I actually think this isn't really a problem right now, but this is gonna be a problem when I start messing with the actual momentum shit. So he's gonna have to, oh my god, I'm gonna have to redo all of that again. Yay. Yay! I'm gonna have to fucking redo all of this shit again. Yay! Not attacks. This is, well, I don't know. It might be okay. We're just gonna have to figure it out, because eventually, well, within the next few, I don't know, development sessions, after I start doing, I don't know, like after I get the attacks done, I do really want to start fixing his momentum issues, because it's just hard. Well, fuck. What is it? What is this? The attack? Okay, yeah. Get node. Fuck you mean get node isn't an existent function? We are not listening to music with lyrics, please. John. Fuck you mean this isn't a function? What do you mean? Don't like all of my other functions use get node? Get current node, probably? It's probably confused with that. Let's just set that. Okay, I guess that doesn't work either. fuck you mean that's not an existent function? It uses it here. Well, maybe it's probably because it's just calling it from the animation state. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Yay. So player.animation.state or player animation state. Invalid get index. What? Do we need this? Is this like necessary? Because this is already in. Don't we already have this in the main state? Why are we doing that? Yeah, we already have this in player. I don't know why it told me to reinitialize that. If you give me, bruh. Piler. I don't think that's right still, but because we don't have the animation tree set up. How the fuck are we even... Oh, because this is a... What is... Are we using blend twos? What are we using? Maybe we aren't doing a singular box. Maybe we're doing a box for each attack. Select your animation tree node in the scene. I did that. And the inspector makes sure active. Yeah, I got that. Tree root equals animate. Yes, fine. Yep. Yeah, it's just state machines. This is new. Locomotion? What is that? What is that sound? Sounds like a frog farting. Dude. What are we thinking? You want to listen to something else instead of lo-fi? That's fine. I don't know if I should. State machine graph. Right-click locomotion. So you want me to do one for each? Obviously that's not gonna work. Does that still line up with what we got? Oh yeah, it does. Huh. Not bad. Just out of curiosity. Okay, nothing happens. Probably because we don't have anything to transition from an idle, if I knew this. It's a bit strange because there's no... I don't have a transition from idle to dodge, which is weird. It does so directly in the main function. Interesting. I'm gonna add it in here. Did I not save? That's not correct. Wait, what? No, that's... Wait, is that right? Oh yeah, it is, okay. I guess we can try that. Crash the game. Invalid type and function switch state. The object derived class of argument 1 is not a subclass of the expected argument class. Excuse me. Why is it telling me? Oh, no, I don't think that's right. Is that just, that's just a built-in, is that a built-in function, or is that a function we made? Oh no, it's not a function we made, okay. Dang, dude, that's cool. Involves move and slide, got it. Very cool. Wow. Look at this, it's already dealing with the walk-in idle, that's cool. Though I might have to change that to a jog, I don't know. It's throwing a fit over the class type. No fuck. Not sure why it's having a tough time with that. It did it just fine with the dodge state. Excuse me? Get lyrics out of my music now. Oh god. It's a good thing I caught that first. Okay. Jeez. Yes. Cool. Good. Can I get that in writing, please? Give me that. Does not like this guy. Yes, I got that. Hello, dog. Oh, it's this. Is it? Maybe not. Maybe. mean, I have that. And I was muted, yay! So basically I just forgot to add dot player here. Never mind. Okay, so we have a new error, so that's good. Oh, what? Oh, anim name. Wait, what? Where's invalid get index anim player? So it's parsing the attack animations of the combo index. This should be 0. Mm-hmm. Oh man. Has animation. What was that again? Not the dodge script, it's the attack script, yeah, bozo. It does have an animation player. What do you mean? What do you mean? You are stupid. Excuse me. Oh my god, bro. I don't think this is the issue, not gonna lie. But I guess it can't hurt to try. Yeah, I think it's just a Godot issue. It's fairly obvious here, but I'm using my good friend GPT to the side. I think that GPT isn't entirely familiar with GDScript, so it has a hard time sometimes getting the updated function calls. I'm just too lazy to look it up on my own. Apply root motion. That ought to do it. Wait, what? Is it position? Clear is reset? I wonder why they renamed these, if that's correct. Is this a real function? Can I look this up? I guess not. Let's try again. Nope. Trying to assign value of type vector 3 to a variable type of transform 3. Can we just turn this into a vector 3? Whoops. Not I, please. Oh. Origin. Okay, maybe not. Oh my gosh, my freaking dog got into the trash. I'll be right back. Hello, I've returned. Hello. Okay, where were we? It does not like transforms. Can I simply remove the type? No, I can't. It wants to change this to a vector 3. And then, what about these guys? It's telling me not to have that. No. Excuse me. Oh, it's because the fucking game's running. That's move. Wait, whoa. No, it's fine. Alright, I think that does the trick. Let's see. No crashing and a crash. Cool. Reset root mode. Reset root motion does not exist. What? Fuck. How do I reset root motion? Reset root motion, Godot. Oh dear God. Look at this shit, huh? They're using blend 2s. Add 3. What the hell? Chat, I'm gonna kill myself. What is this, dog? Yeah, I see that. okay. Let's try again. Well, I'll stop it and then save, and then we'll try again. Oh god, what was that? Oh. Wow. Okay, I can already tell that this is not working. Oh my god, he turns into the fucking blob. Boom. Boom. Holy crap. If I just spam the crap out of it, he just freaks out. Oh my, dude, I can perform a super jump by doing that. He doesn't care about the, if I do it in the middle of a jump, he just continues going up. Hold on, can I like, can I fucking cheese the crap out of it? Let's see if I can super jump to the top. Wait, can I not? Oh yeah, if I just spam it while jumping, I can just jump forever. And I can slow my descent. Holy. This is funny. Oh, and it really messes up my my horizontal movement as well. I can't really move around. Oh no, I can. If I just keep spamming it, he just flies. I've created an eldritch abomination that can just fly infinitely. Obama, is there any pizza rolls left? Oh, there is. Sweet home Alabama. Oh, I landed on the platform. Nice. Holy mackerel. What a fucking cursed bug this is. So, it just, I mean, here. It is moving us forward, but obviously my mesh really doesn't fucking like that. I literally have no idea how to go about fixing this. My god. This is fucking cursed as shit, dude. Ooh, what happens if I dodge into it? Nothing, he just stays still. Dude, this is really fucking stupid. Okay. That is funny. That is a funny glitch right there. Okay, unfortunately I do kind of have to go because I have a fucking 4 a.m. shift, and as you can see it's almost 10 p.m. so I'm not gonna be getting much sleep tonight, that's for sure. Also, I have no idea where to go from here. I guess I'll talk to GPT a little bit about where to go from here. It looks perfectly fine in the animation player. So I could just be using maybe the wrong root bone, maybe. Hold on. Let me try and set it to a different one real quick. Because I don't think we set it to this. It's under rig. It's supposed to be WGT rig root. Is it foot? No. What if I just make it like his right foot though? Oh, that did change it. But it doesn't move him forward though. But it doesn't fuck up my mesh though. So that's good. But it does return him back, so that's not... It's obviously not right. I have a loogie. I have a loogie in my throat. No. None of these are fucking listed when I go to pick my root bone. Bruh. So this is not right though. Well, I think it is right. Because it moves us forward. But it's fucking up the mesh, obviously. It's kind of funny though, not gonna lie. Yeah, no, this is technically correct, but not what we want. Obviously, maybe if we just fucking change it to one of these, let's try, I don't know, his thigh instead. So it's a child of the root? No. What the fuck is this music? Hell no, I ain't in a fucking cult. Shit out of here, man. That is not good. So it has to be the root. But that'd be fucking up my rest of the day though. Look at that. I've been going for almost 2 hours. Good job, me. What? No way. It wants me to stop using root motion. Even though I expressly wanted to try and use it. Okay. I don't have the time for this, unfortunately. Alright, excuse me. Alright, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to stop for now. This is a bit too much right now, unfortunately. I kinda wanna try, but this is looking like it's gonna be an issue because I think, well, what my good friend GPT is suggesting is either to fucking redo like the rig, I guess, or to get rid of my animation movement, which I fucking spent so long doing yesterday. So basically I am at a standstill. Yeah. Oh well. I will probably be back tomorrow. I just gotta stop for tonight. I mean, I'm still happy with what we, tried to get done today. I'm always proud of getting more than just the fucking even 30 minutes into an independent work session. I wasn't even really planning on streaming tonight because I have a fucking early shift tomorrow. Fucking early as hell, but yeah, I hate work, so I wanted to work on what I actually care about. And here we are. So, it's cool that we at least tried to get the animation hooked up, and I mean, we have something. He's there. That's fucking Blender, not gonna do. He's there. He's moving around. He's getting swifty with it. It's just not properly. It's not currently moving yet, but we have the attack state set up, so that's progress anyway. And we had a fun stupid glitch happen, and I will probably pull out my hair trying to fix it, but